In earlier times, Java was more popular than Python, but now Python has exceeded Java from all angles. We will discuss how Python became famous. A lot of people do not know that Python was created before Java. Java was created in 1994, but Python was created in 1999. In the beginning, Python was not famous, but slowly gained popularity. Let's discuss how Python is so popular today. Number 1, design philosophy. The design of Python is really beautiful. Let me explain why. It is probably easiest language to learn. Even a 7th grader student can follow the instructions and start coding. Number 2, the code in Python is always well indented, and it is very eye-catching. In simple words, it is very much readable. Even a layman finds it simple and can understand what the code is actually trying to do. Number 3, Python is beautiful and easy to learn. It is a very easygoing language, and whenever someone creates a mistake, it provides a suggestion where you went wrong. Number 4, batteries included. One can perform complex operation in one line of code. This distinguishes it from C language well, even for small tasks. One needs to write lengthy code. There are a lot of inbuilt functions in Python which will help you to build good applications. Number 5, general purpose programming language. Python supports a lot of program paradigms. One can use Python to do coding in OOPS, which is popularly known as object-oriented programming. One can also do procedural programming. Number 6, you can use Python language to build a lot of software. Example, Google desktop software and Chrome website. Example, Facebook. Number 7, if you know Python, you can not only study data science, which is machine learning, where you can go for web development. Number 8, one can also build game software. Number 9, library or community. Python has a wide community where a lot of people are contributors on daily basis. People are introducing new libraries daily. There are so many popular libraries in Python, including the famous libraries called Pandas, Scipy, and TensorFlow. Due to this, we do not need to write code from scratch. We will get libraries which we can use and get our task done. Now we will discuss how Python became famous in data science. There are other languages such as Java, PHP, and Ruby. These are also languages like Python, but are not used in data science. So we need to think, what is it that made Python famous as a language for data? How Python became number 1 choice. Point A, easy to learn. Any layman who has no idea can learn Python and start his data science journey. However, things can be very different if he shows us a different language such as C or Java as the language for data science. All big companies prefer Python as their daily language. Point B, proximity with mathematics. Libraries in Python are always inclined in mathematics domain. Libraries like Scipy, popularly known as scientific Python, which exist in Python in domain of math. Point C, community. Once people jumped in and started explaining, creating new libraries, Python became open source. An ecosystem was created and people started adding more and more. We will learn Python in our upcoming videos from perspective of data science. The points which we will cover to know Python from data science perspective are equals. Number 1, how you can write real Python code. Number 2, how you can solve any problem using Python. So I hope this video is informative to you. There will be many more tutorials in the upcoming videos. Subscribe to this channel and turn your notifications so that you can see our next video first, and share to any of your friends if they learn data science. Happy learning!